you're representing, which country you're representing, and what it is that you're working on right now, because I see you're quite busy. Yeah?
Well, my name is Rose, and we're from Tanzania. The team is called AgroInfo, and the solution that we have, we call it CLOSE, and it means that it's a chaotic land ownership verification system.
Okay.
Yes.
So to someone, to the layman who doesn't understand what that is.
We're trying to give those ones who, a small-scale farmer who wants to buy land, we give authenticity of the land.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it describes more about the land.
Yes, it's about land ownership. And that is because, like in Tanzania, only 10% of the small-scale farmers actually farm on a land that is they have a title deed of. Yeah.
So this application will tell the farmer that is my land and this land is kind of titled.
Yes, it's kind of entry-level title deed. So it give you authenticity in case, let's say you want to sell or you want to access any financial services. Yeah.
Thank you very much, and we wish you the best.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So we go next. Okay. Hello. Okay. This way. So maybe you'll tell us which country you're representing, where you're from, and the app you're working on right now.
Okay, we are from Madagascar, and we come especially in Rwanda for the regional finals. I'm in charge of a hub like a kLabs in Antananarivo, and we had the same hackathon in the hub, and then we have the team of winners from our country. We're gonna represent the hub and the country in the same time. So I'll let them explain about the application.
Sure, sure. So, briefly, what is this application all about, and how is it in conjunction with agriculture and the hackathon that you're in right now?
So, our application is called Farmura. In Malagasy, Mura means easy, Ura means time. So, briefly, our application is here for making farming as easy as cooking. You just need you can create farming recipes.
Okay.
You can share farming recipes, and in just one click or in one SMS, you can turn these recipes into an entire project management with a list of tasks what you have to do today, a calendar. Farmura will give you a calendar of a specific recipes that you choose. It will allow you to manage all of your resources, and that's the main heart of our application.
So, what kind of recipes would you be working on? For dry season recipes, rainy season recipes, what kind of recipes?
Any recipes. We want that farmers, NGOs, researchers, fertilizer makers, or pesticide makers include their recipes here, so that everybody can use it, everybody can share it. You know, like a cookbook. Suppose that you have a cookbook. There's a lot of recipes inside it. Maybe you are part of the one who created recipes inside it, and what's also our objective. Our objective is also to allow people share information, share farming techniques. We call farming techniques recipes, and photo wraps in just one click, in just one SMS. As I said, if you enter recipes, it's turning into a farming project where user can see what the farming techniques will cost to him, what resources does he need, and it will give him also a farming calendar to tell the user what he have to do today, what he have to do tomorrow.
Well, thank you. We wish you all the best.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, that's a team from Madagascar. We've seen what Tanzania has to offer. We've seen Madagascar And up next is another team. Well, good morning. Fine, thank you. So, what is it that you're working? Where are you from? Which hub are you representing? And what is it that you're working on?
So we are from Uganda. We are from Outbox. Our company is Ensibuko. We are developing an app, a mobile app that makes it easy for smallholder rural farmers to access financing.
Okay.
And we are incorporating a lot of
I mean, on this side, so it's easier. Okay.
so we are incorporating a lot of other features into our product, including SMS platforms and mobile money platforms that enable farmers to easily apply for loans, easily save into their SACCOs, savings and credit associations, and easily be able to acquire a loan through mobile money and repay on through mobile money.
Okay, so
Yeah.
this app basically will be giving people a platform where they can borrow money from the banks and get to know the process of how it flows because banks can be a bit hectic.
Yeah, so we're not really looking for, we're developing a product for the unbanked group of farmers that find it really hard to access financing through formal financial institutions. So we are looking for non-MFIs. And in Uganda's case in particular, the model that has worked is SACCOs. And so we are looking for that group of farmers and seeing how we can improve the accountability structures within the SACCOs using a mobile app where the SACCOs can easily track the savings of farmers, and SACCOs can easily collect savings and disperse loans using mobile money. Yeah,
Well, thank you, and we wish you the best.
thank you.
Well, that's a team from Uganda. We have seen Madagascar, we have seen Tanzania, and Uganda. Up next is another team that we are going to be following up to see what's happening. So this is one particular team. Okay, so probably you tell us who you are, which hub you're representing, and what application you're working on.
Yeah, and this is fertilizer logic team. We are doing we are making a device which will detect the soil fertility. Yeah, is what we are going to do.
Okay, so where are you from? Are you from Rwanda?
Yeah, we are coming from Rwanda.
So this fertilizer, how does an agriculturalist go through his phone and get to understand, is this fertilizer good for me, or how do you make it easier?
Yeah, it's a very easier system because after analyzing the soil, we will analyze the soil fertility, and then after we will send the result using mobile phones, email, and voice.
Okay.
Then the farmer will know the quantity of the fertilizer he needs in our plot, in our field.
Just
Yeah.
through your application.
Yeah, through our application.
Well, thank you very much. We wish you the best.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So